Okay, today is May 3, year 2021. I crashed yesterday my helicopter and I want to find what's the problem. So I found out there's no aileron control. So I'm going to test the continuity between the aileron signal. This is the aileron signal going to the receiver. So I attach it the other end there, so you can see the continuity. It's almost zero. Okay, so here it should be always zero. Okay, but whenever I'm trying to move the wire here, you can see the pointer moving back and forth. See? Wait, no, there goes zero. Okay, it goes 10 ohms. I'm moving the wire. Now it's go zero. I'm moving the other way. Look. See? I think this is the problem. There's maybe a wire is breaking there. So it should be zero. Maybe let's put the alligator clip here and try to permanently. Where's my alligator clip? Okay, here's my alligator clip. Okay. So you can see. Okay. Now I'm going to move the wire. Oh, no. Look, it's become 10 ohms. It's zero and what happened? Okay. So you can see now it's 5 ohms. There. Oh, there. It's a open circuit. But when I move it here, so there, see it's open circuit. But whenever I move it here, there's a short. It's connected. See, you can see the meter. I'm going to move the wire again. There, open. It's open circuit. Can you see it? Yeah, there, open circuit, and I'm going to move the wire. There, close. So I guess the problem is with this wire only. This wire caused my whole helicopter to crash due to no aileron control. Again. Let's simulate zero connection. There. Okay. So I guess the problem, I finally found the problem. It's just the wire. So I just purchased this a cheap wire from Deco. Maybe you should get a better wire. There you go. Anyway, you seen it in my video. So at least I just need to change the wire and hope everything works perfectly. Now I really found the issue. Okay, that's about it. Thank you.